I was barbecuing and I went to go ahead and grab a pair of tongs and turn the meat over. I felt in my corner of my mouth a tingling, and all of a sudden, immediately, my right arm just fell to the side, and then my right leg fell out from beneath me. I had an ischemic stroke. You hear it talked about, but until you experience it, you don't know what it's like. It's a kind of terror.
Kevin always says to me that you can't think about what ifs, but he was thinking about what's going to happen if I don't come out of this.
You can break an arm and still be yourself. You can have a heart transplant and still be yourself. But if you injure your brain, all of a sudden your ability to express who you are has changed dramatically.
It was a hard reality. I'm on the gurney, in the ER. I'm paralyzed on the right side all the way down. A lot goes through your mind in those instances.
I'm Dr. Naveen Varma. Most of my job involves taking care of strokes. As I walk into a patient's room, I'm building that relationship. If it's a stroke, I need to go fast. And so I need to push, and I do.
The medical care I received through this whole episode, it was an orchestra. I'm watching from the point of view of a patient. I was surrounded by clinical staff. They came in as a team. Everyone knew what they were doing. They all did a specific task. In my mind, I pictured that it was going to be 6 months to maybe 3 years of long, hard physical therapy to get my mobility back.
Reducing time to medication reduces disability. This is minutes. The longer you wait, the more brain injury is occurring. So it can be your arm is paralyzed. It can be your speech. We've all had it, right? What is that word? I'm thinking of that word. What's that word? Imagine living your whole life like that.
I couldn't believe it. From the onset of treatment at the ER to the day I walked out of the hospital was 3 days. And without all of those wonderful pieces working together, with Dr. Varma being the head of this whole operation, I don't know where I would be.
I think the fundamental piece of healthcare is compassion. And I think we're pretty darn good at delivering compassion.
The future for us is that we're now considering our retirement in a couple of years. And we're going to have one now. We're just looking forward to being together and just having fun.
It makes you appreciate the time that we will have together and we will be able to do the things that we want to do. He's my soulmate. He understands me. He's just the best person to be with.
Dr. Varma, I wanted to take the opportunity to thank you very much for your excellent care and treatment of me when I had my ischemic stroke. The staff that you have surrounding you, their competency level, your bedside manner, your care and your advice, making me feel comfortable, all brought a wonderful experience to me, and I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for the opportunity to proceed with my life in full recovery, to be with my wife and my grandchildren. Thank you very much.